If you're worried about being chased by a two-legged robot, you may sleep peacefully for the time being. In an astonishing display of robotics and engineering, a droid called Cassie has achieved a Guinness World Record for the 100-meter sprint by a bipedal robot. While this is still a long way from the blazing speed of the world's top athletes, the record is nevertheless noteworthy. Agility Robotics, a spinoff business from Oregon State University, debuted Cassie in 2017 as a platform for doing robotics research. And since then, Cassie has improved tremendously, as seen by her running a distance of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, in a little over 53 minutes in 2021. The robot was given the capacity to run with the use of machine learning algorithms, which allowed it to adapt to its unusual biomechanics and ostrich-like knees. Cassie can now run alongside other bipedal robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Mabel, which have the world's quickest knees for a bipedal robot. The team had to start from scratch to fine-tune Cassie for the 100-meter dash. The team spent a week fast-tracking Cassie through a year's worth of simulated training, designed to determine the most effective gait. But it wasn't simply a matter of speed. For the Guinness World Record to stand, Cassie had to start in a standing pose, and then return to that pose after crossing the finish line, rather than simply tumble over. Cassie had to use 2 neural networks, one for running fast and one for standing still, and gracefully transition between the two. Ultimately, Cassie completed the 100-meter sprint in 24.73 seconds, establishing a Guinness World Record for a bipedal robot. Although this is significantly slower than the sub-10-second times achieved by the world's top sprinters, the researchers are optimistic that the rate of improvement will soon pick up. However, because this record is based on a standard competitive task undertaken by humans, Guinness World Records calls it a concrete milestone in robot locomotion and real-world capability. That's it for today, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and check our website at www.techwiki.co. Thanks for watching.